I gotta be really still because my chair happens to be a little bit squeaky. Not really ideal. People, it's me again. Today I have a really interesting video for all of you. I'm pretty excited to introduce you guys to the audio limited A10 wireless system. This is a completely digital system that utilizes a receiver and a transmitter. I'm currently using it here with my indoor boom setup, which is a Sheps with a CMC1 preamp and a MK41 capsule. I'm using a Sinella mount and a Ryko baseball for wind protection. So I just wanted to shoot a video, guys, show you my first impressions. I haven't tested it out in the field, but that's gonna be another video that's gonna follow pretty soon. But I just wanted to show you how it sounded in a controlled environment. Granted, this is not the best sounding room. It's pretty echoey, it's full of metal and reflective surfaces. Only this side behind me is treated. It's just a regular garage. After you start playing with the menus, pretty intuitive. Nothing too out of the ordinary. Right now, I'm using the receiver going analog on my sound device is 633 over here to the right. The receiver and the transmitter are quite close to each other, so that's not very good, but we're getting signal, so that's good. People ask me, why do you switch? I wanted to have this system since I've used it on a series. The mixer that was mixing that show, he had these for their booms. And I got to boom with this system. It just sounded to me so much better. The experience booming with it, it was pretty good. The weight, I don't know, I just liked it. More and more people are switching to digital, and we use them not just for the booms, we use them for plant mics as well. I decided to get a pair for myself and replace my Electrosonics HMA. I still own 3 Electrosonics HMAs, and I really like the sound of them, and I like the range too, and I like the fact that it doesn't have antennas. One of the main reasons was because I wanted to try something else. The sound quality of these guys, it really surprised me, you know. And I'm gonna do a comparison between the HMA and the A10. Also, Lectra just came out with their own digital system, so I'll be curious to see how that sounds too. The gain structure in the A10, I think, is pretty good. Like, you could add a pad really quickly. They sell these A boom caddy, which is just a plate that is holding to the boom. So you have to get these in order to mount your transmitter into the boom pole. The clip was a little bit tricky to get in there. I bought a cable, which is called the AC Balance XLR with a 3-pin limo connector. I bought 3 of these because I bought 2 transmitters and I wanted to have a spare in case one breaks or something. These kind of cables is not a cable that could just go to a store and buy it. You kind of have to get it made. The main reason why I got the A10 is because I just recently purchased a SL6. I'm gonna be implementing that into one of my cards, so that way I could have the A10 living there and a couple SRCs plus my venue. The receiver right now has an XLR plate that it comes with power, so you just plug that into your power distribution, and that's how I'm powering the receiver. The transmitter though, it uses regular AA batteries. You could use rechargeables or lithiums. I still don't know the lifetime. That's gonna be in my follow-up video where I actually test this out in the field and I do A/B comparison with the HMA and the A10. And I'm gonna try to get the same mics, same identical setups, so it's gonna be fair. So far, I'm pretty impressed, I have to be honest. I really like the sound of this. It's pretty nice. Maybe I'm biased because, I don't know, I think it's because it's more expensive, it's gonna be better. I don't know. I still need to test this. This is just a quick video sharing with you guys my thoughts, how does it look like. Just going straight. Sound device is 633, and I got the receiver right here. It's going in with the XLR plate attached to the bottom of this, but I'm gonna get a DB25 adapter here pretty soon, and that's gonna leave inside my SL6. There's a few videos showing how to use the A10, but I'm gonna make a video once I'm get pretty familiar with the system and I used it in the field. I'm gonna make a video, guys, how to set it up, what are the best settings. It's gonna vary from person to person, but I'm gonna give you a good ballpark for all of you that are actually using it. Or maybe you guys could leave some comments and let me know some of your settings, so then I could try those as well. I just wanted to make a quick video, guys, showing you the sound of the A10, a quick preview on what I think about the product. Stay tuned for the range test. and the sound comparison between the HMA and the A10. I'm going to try to record those next week. Remember to stay safe. Don't forget to wear your mask. Say hello once in a while. Come hang out with us. If you haven't watched some of my videos, I actually have quite a bit. I'm going to leave a couple of videos. Some videos relating to A10 that I found really helpful on YouTube. So, yes, check those out and stay cool.